Hi everyone. In this section, I am going to discuss one important topic, that is REST assured architecture. So let's discuss that. So REST assured architecture is divided into different parts like request specification, HTTP methods, request processing, response, validation, and verification. So what is request specification? So before sending a request, you define everything which is needed. That is URL, the API endpoint. That is, for example, https://api.example.com/users. Then path or query params. For example, parameters you pass with the URL, that is /users/id, that is path param. And for query param, that is page page is equal to 2. Auth, authentication methods like basic auth, OAuth, bearer token. Then headers, that is metadata, that is content type application/JSON. Then body, JSON or XML, the request payload for post, put or patch. In REST assured, you use given to define this part. Basically, we use given for defining this request specification part. Next, HTTP methods. So these are the type of requests you send to the server, like post, create, get, retrieve, put, update, patch, partial update, delete, remove, head, metadata only, and options, find supported HTTP methods. In REST assured, this is represented with .get, .post, .put, etc. Okay. Then next one is request processing. The request goes to the server, backend logic executes and processes your request. Next, response. The server sends back data, usually in JSON and XML. JSON is most common in REST APIs and XML sometimes used in legacy systems. In REST assured, you capture this with .then, .extract, .response. Next is validation. You check if the response is correct. Status code, that is 200 OK, and 404 if not found. Status line, full HTTP response line. Content type, JSON, XML, HTML, etc. Body, validate response data. Then cookies and header, extra metadata. In REST assured, .then, .status code, let's say 200, for example, a .content type application/JSON. This way we validate. Verification. Here in verification, we extract and verify specific fields using JsonPath, that is to parse JSON, XmlPath to parse XML. Example, string name is equal to response.jsonpath.getString of user.name. In summary, this diagram shows the API testing workflow using REST assured. Build a request specification using, let's say, given. Call HTTP method using when.get, etc. Get response, perform validation and verification, that is then.status code 200, JSON path, etc. So that's it about REST assured architecture. So that's it, guys. I will come up with some new interesting topic. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Please like it, subscribe it, share with your friends and family. Thank you so much.